Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to install the Spigen AlignMaster Tempered Glass compatible with iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. This tempered glass is designed to protect your screen from scratches and impacts. It's also compatible with most Spigen cases and other popular brands. The AlignMaster installation kit is very easy to use. It includes a plastic guide that helps position the glass correctly on your screen. 1. Clean your screen with the provided cleaning cloth. Two, place the plastic guide on your screen. 3. Remove the protective film from the tempered glass. 4. Center the glass on the plastic guide. 5. Press the glass to secure it in place. The Spigen AlignMaster Tempered Glass is made of high-quality tempered glass. It has a hardness rating of 9H, which means it's highly scratch-resistant. The glass is also transparent, so it won't interfere with your iPhone's display. The Spigen AlignMaster Tempered Glass is compatible with many Spigen cases and other popular brands. The Spigen AlignMaster Tempered Glass is an excellent way to protect your iPhone from scratches and impacts. It's easy to install and compatible with most cases. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time.